Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 5 power n minus 4 power n is equals to 3 power n and we have to find the value of n. So let's start with today's video solution. So in the first step I am going to divide with 4 power n throughout the equation. So it becomes 5 power n by 4 power n minus 1 is equals to 3 power n by 4 power n. According to exponent rule, a power m by b power m, we can write it as a by b whole power m. So it becomes 5 by 4 whole power n minus 1 is equals to 3 by 4 whole power n. So if we talk about the left hand side, we can see that 5 by 4 whole power n, when we subtract with 1, it gives a positive number. So we can say that 5 power 4, 5 by 4 whole power n is greater than 1. That means it is an increasing function. And when we take this negative 1 to other side, so 3 by 4 power n is less than 1. So that means it is a decreasing function. Now we are talking about, we have to find the value of n. So we are going to put various values starting with zeros and check which satisfies the equation. So if n is equals to 0, 5 power 0 minus 4 power 0 is equals to 3 power 0. 5 power 0 is 1 minus 1 is equals to 1. That is 0 is equals to 1. Not possible. So 0 can't be our answer. If n is equals to 1, then 5 power 1 minus 4 power 1 is equals to 3 power 1. 1 is equals to 3. This is also not satisfied. So this is also not possible. And if n is equals to 2, 5 square minus 4 square is equals to 3 square. So 25 minus 16 is equals to 9. So 9 is equals to 9. It is satisfied the equation. So the value of n is 2 in this case. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.